So in this video, we're going to do a bit of work with merging from one branch to another branch. And again, this would be a common scenario if you had some, like a developer working on a branch and another developer wants to get access to that code. So we're going to start by creating a new branch in IntelliJ. You come up down here to this little pop-up, or click it so the pop-up comes up, new branch, and we'll call this test merge branch. And we can see that it was created and it should be selected. By some reason it wasn't selected. Make sure that it is selected down there. Now we want to make a change to a file. So let's actually just open a file. Doesn't really matter which one. And close that down. I'm just going to go down to the bottom here. Just a few lines that we can actually check that it's working, it's merging. Okay, simple little check there. And I need to do another space here to keep the IntelliJ Python compiler happy, or parser I should say happy. All right, so that's our little method that we've made a change. So let's commit that. So I'm just going to right click in the file somewhere, git commit file. You can see that the file info.py is the file that's going to be going through. We're going to call this one Tim's method. Commit. Noting that I'm only clicking commit, I'm not doing a commit and push, so just commit it to the local repository. Now this is where this code analysis comes in, by the way. Now, I did show you a pop-up on the other screen, but this is what would happen because it was a longer method there. There's clearly it's found something that it thinks should be changed. So you'd normally click on review to see what the code analysis review was and make any appropriate changes to your source code. But in this case, because we're focusing on Git, I'm just going to click on commit anyway to go ahead and commit those changes. Okay, so one file committed, Tim's method, as you can see down there, was the message we assigned to the commit ID. All right, so let's now switch over to the master branch. So I'm going to come over to our master checkout. Checked out master, as you can see, and notice that when I did that, we're in file info.py, and the function that I created is not showing, which is consistent and correct because that wasn't added to the master repository. We've got that in a different branch. So how do we get those changes back into this branch? Well, the way to do that is making sure you're in the branch where you want the changes to come into. So in this case, we're wanting the code from the test merge branch to come into the master branch. So I've got that selected. Click on the box again. Now select on the branch that we want to work on. I'm going to get the code from, which is test merge branch. And we come down here and click on merge. And you can see what's happened here automatically. Notice this little pop-up as well that's come up. So it's merged the changes. We can see the method again. And it's now even saying, do you want to delete the branch? And if you created a branch just for this purpose and it was a once-only purpose to make some changes and you're merging them back, this would be a good opportunity to actually delete those changes. Now, sometimes you might go away and find that message disappears like it has there. If you want to get that back, just come over here and click on the events, and you normally will get the options shown back up over here. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll delete the test merge branch because we no longer need it. And you can see it's now deleted that branch. And I'll just close down this event log. Now if we have a look at our list of branches, the test merge branch has been deleted, which we'd expect because we selected delete. But more importantly, the changes, now that we're in the master repository, are actually showing in that repository. So we've successfully merged the changes from the test merge branch. Okay, so that's how we go about merging changes from one branch to another. I'll see you in the next video.